All right, so you just purchased the vehicle and you have no sound coming out of your speakers. You look underneath your seat and you find this. Well, I have a quick little tool to make sure that the speakers are still in their doors and they're still functional with a little Duracell AAA battery. You could use a AA battery. I just recommend low voltage, 1.5. So the way we're going to do this is we're going to put the ground on the copper side and the positive on the brass side. And by doing so, it should create current to the speaker and make it pop. Let's see if we can do it. Probably gonna need both hands for this. Alright, because I am a one-man show, I really have no one to help me out. So I used a little bit of tape, and this one should be this one here. Let's see if we are able to hear it. There it is. And that's how essentially you're able to determine which speaker is which, and you're able to see if they are connected and working. So I'm trying to get that tape off. Now I'll try to do the other one. It's not gonna work with one hand, bro. So you can hear it, and each one that we do will be a different speaker. So that's how you will determine if the speakers are connected to the doors and they're functional. So I went ahead and I tested every single one, and I'm able to find out which one is which. This one's for the rear, this one's the driver door, and I'll continue to see which ones are which. But simple solution with a AAA battery, just to find out, to make sure if your speakers are in the doors and they are functional and working. These are functional, so all we're simply going to do is they already have all the cabling here, ground, remote, and positive. And then we have subwoofer, we have our 4 channels, and we have our outputs. So here's our output. Whoa, from the radio, it's output. This would be the input to the amp, and then this would be the output. Confusing, I know, but I know what I'm talking about. All we have to do is put a freaking amp here, wire it up, and it's gonna be good. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.